Thank you. And right on cue, awaiting the opening, and it's going to be another record opening. The Nifty at opening is likely to scale at 21,700 mark, and the first tick is above 21,700, 55 points higher on the Nifty. The sensex straight away has gained close to about 200 points, and this marks the fifth consecutive day of gains for our market, and the bull run the party continues. Mid-caps moving in step. The mid-cap index opens with a gain of 0.4%. Banks are doing well in trade. Some of the big gainers on the index include NTPC, where the management has laid out aggressive capex plans, particularly on renewable energy. So that's up 1%. Steel continues with its rally. Names like Tata Steel, JSW Steel have rallied 8 and 10% respectively in the month of December. So as the dollar index is now hovering around 100.5, we've seen the rally continue in steel names. BPCL is higher in trade. SBI Life has some green in the private sector banks. ICICI Bank is up 0.6%, while HDFC Bank has opened up in the green, but the gains are fairly modest. Still holding on to the up move on the Nifty right now. In terms of the notable losers today, Eicher Motors has corrected down 0.5%. Bajaj Auto was up 3.5% yesterday. It's corrected a bit, but again, the gains, the losses there are very slim. L&T, Infosys too have open trade in the red. But again, the losers list, the biggest loser is Eicher Motor, and that's only down close to about 0.5%. JSW Steel has picked up some more steam now. JSW Steel is up 1.3%.
Okay, mid-caps actually for the time being are in step with the frontliners. I'll run through some of the stocks and news. KPI Green straight away up about 7% on the bonus issue anticipation, so 7% up there. CESE, we were just listening into the brokerage commentary there. That stock's working well as we start off 3% up on CESE. South Indian Bank is doing a rights issue, raising about 1,700 crores. Stock's up about 2-3%. Sula says they have had the best ever sales at their facility near Nasik, wine tourism as they call it, and the stock is reacting about 2% up on Sula as well. Beyond news flow, let's see what else is standing out in the market this morning. Still getting some of the PSU movers and shakers. For instance, Hindustan Copper, once again, 4.5% on the upside. Hudco had a strong 10% move yesterday. It's following through with another 2.5% this morning. Then you have some of the other names like IRFC, SAIL, PNB, Union Bank, IDBI Bank, Bank of India. Basically, the PSU party is well and truly on. PSU banks and non-banks. Central Enterprises looking very, very good this morning. Manappuram Finance finding some traction early on. There's also 5-Star Finance, by the way. That stock's reacting to positive brokerage commentary. 1-2% up on 5-Star. And Sona BLW, yesterday's big mover, is putting on more momentum this morning. About 2.5% up on Sona BLW. NTPC still retaining that gain, 1.5% up on NTPC. So this is looking good, strong and solid. All the key indices, the Nifty, Sensex, Mid-Cap and the Bank Nifty, right now all of them are sitting with a gain of about 0.3%. So Prashant, that is not bad considering this huge, steroids pack move that we had yesterday. On the back of that, we're getting a decent open.
Yeah, I mean, can it be another trending day, though, is the question. Because yesterday was a trending day. There was no dip, nothing. I mean, I think at one point at about 11:30 or so, the market came to the low point of the day, but there was nothing. I mean, that was around 21,500 or so, and then the market kind of launched higher. And post 3 p.m. yesterday, the move really picked up. Actually, in the last half an hour, the index added, that additional 1%. Additional 100 points actually on the Nifty. So 21,721 is where we read about 1/3% higher in this on this Thursday morning. So looking very, very solid. Vinit